Hello guys, welcome to this video. I bought this flip to a week ago or two from eBay, and I got it for 50 euros, and it's pretty goddamn good condition. I mean, as you can see, it's sealed. This is a completely different. It's a TL, but it's not a TL IH like mine. It's a TL. Wait a sec. I'll show the model right here. As you can see, TLBH. This is a February 2017 model Flip 4. It's an old Flip 4. It's a good Flip 4 model. I don't say the other Flip 4s are not bad, but these ones are strong on the woofers because they have better spiders on 2017 models. Kinda, I don't know if that's really true, but I think it is strong. But I won't do LFM on this one too. I don't want to do. I'm not gonna do it on this one LFM because it's kind of useless. Since I just have it for a few hours because I was at my friend's house for a week. Yeah, I don't have the package. I don't have anything from it. It just came like this in a package from post and stuff like that. And yeah, I got this thing like this, no charging, anything. I don't even know if it is something in it. I don't even know. I didn't even check it. It was already unpackaged. But it's a TL. But I will do some changes on this. I mean, I might put the white cover on this, or just the plastic cover on this from the white one, and make it like a nice white and black combination, and see how it looks. I won't do anything to the passives. They will stay like this. They will not be changed to the white ones. Maybe I don't have the white roll, but I have the white thingy that holds, that is like a cup from inside. So I will change that. The charge point, it will stay like this. It will stay the original one. And yeah, the rope, it will stay original too. But yeah, let's get and sound testing this thing. Since it's an old, on an old firmware, as I saw, I got an I tested out, and it actually is really nice. So yeah, let's turn this bad boy. It's already connected to my tablet. Let's show the song what we have here.
Come on, you won again!
Stupid ads. I hate ads, I swear. That's so annoying. I'm gonna go inside your song and I will be right back. Let's connect her first. I mean, that's some pretty good bass. It's only barely on 4. I got it with 5, but I used it a bit, and that's why it has 4. But in general, it's like my old black, the TL IH, the black one that I did. I have it on for almost 3 years. That one's fine too now. I have now 2 black Flip 4s. I mean, I think I have 3. I don't know. But this one's the older one. This is the older brother from my black Flip 4. It's an older model, which is nice, and it's nice to have an older model. Yeah. Let's see what's inside. I'm gonna take the cover off and see how the woofers look and how good they look, if they're even in a good condition. But from here it doesn't really see anything, any rip spider noises, so I think we will be fine. Oh shit, man, look at that. They look brand new. Just on a tiny bit piece of dirt here, but that doesn't really mind my taste. But look, it legit looks like it's bought a few weeks ago. This is how this thing looks. It's legit. I bought it from a brand new speaker, not even used. It looks like that. It legit looks like that. This is how my TRIH looked like in the day when I got it. Since I killed one set of woofers. Basically two with the flip 3 woofers and another set with those small round speakers with a tiny dust cap on it. I think you all know the OG fans out there. I think they know the always flip 3 woofers that I put in the flip 4 on the black one. And the tiny woofers with the go. Yeah. And then I put a go 1 woofer, then a tweeter, and it was completely trashed up. Even the lift PR was completely done. I literally put a piece of cardboard in and I put the glass on it. It looked terrible. But now that speaker looks fine and the sound's fine. It has a tiny bit of spider noise on the right woofer, but that doesn't really mind myself. But this one, I mean, doesn't have any rip spider noises, as you can hear. And it's completely sealed too, so it's ready to put in water in the summer of 2021. So this speaker is a win-win actually. For 50 euros, and ooh, that's actually that's not bad at all. So, but in the next video we'll see this with maybe a white cover or a normal fabric cover or just a normal classic cover that rounds the speaker. I think I might put this on instead of this because I don't want to unscrew anything to damage it. But if I'm gonna make it with this, I will be like this, and yeah, this is what you will see in the next video with this. And yeah, this is my new JBL. Hopefully I will record something with it. If not, then it's gonna be my private speaker. Yeah. Hopefully you will enjoy this video, because I'm out of the content a bit. So yeah, might tomorrow put this thing on YouTube with a new design. Yeah, yeah. Man, I mean, I see y'all tomorrow on a new vid. Yeah, see ya.